Hello guys, welcome to the channel Stupid for Study. Today we are going to see the conventional design process in CAD CAM. So there are total 6 stages in conventional design process. So first stage is recognition of need. You can see the figure on right hand side which shows the first step as a recognition of need. So the first step in the design process is to recognize necessity of that particular design, the condition under which the part is going to operate, and the operation of part in that particular environment. So in this first step, you need to recognize the necessity of the particular design and the condition under which the part is going to operate. And other thing is the operation of that part in the particular environment. The real problem is to identify by knowing the history and difficulties faced in the system. So if you want to identify the real problem, then you need to know the history and difficulties which are faced in the system. The second step is the definition of the problem. You need to define the problem. In the figure, you can see the definition of the problem is the second step. So the design involves type of shape of part, its space requirement, the material restrictions, and the condition under which the part has to operate. So how to define the problem? The first line clearly defines that the design involves types of shape of part, its space requirement, the material restrictions, and the condition under which the part has to operate. The basic purpose of design process has to be known before stating the design. So you need to know the basic purpose of the design before starting the design. A problem may be design of a simple part or a complex part. It may be a simple part or complex part. So you need to define the problem. It may be a problem on optimizing certain parameters. So this is about the definition of the problem, which is the second step of the conventional design process. Third is the synthesis of design. So in synthesis of design, it may be necessary to prepare a rough drawing of design part, the type of loading conditions imposed on the parts, the type of shapes which the part section can require, and approximate dimension at which the different forces are located has to be provided on the sketch of the part. So this is the third step of the conventional design process. So you need to prepare the rough drawing of the design part and the type of loading conditions imposed on the parts you need to synthesize. Also, the type of shape which the part section can require and approximate dimensions at which the different forces are located has to be provided on the sketch of the part. It clearly defines the third stage. The fourth point in the synthesis of design is the stresses to which the part is likely to be subjected must be analyzed, and relevant formulas should be prepared. So the stresses part to be subjected must be analyzed. You need to analyze the stresses, and relevant formulas need to be prepared. A mathematical model of design may be prepared to synthesize the parts of the design. First step in conventional design process is analysis and optimization. You can see the first step in the figure which is shown at the right hand side. So the design can be analyzed for the type of loading conditions as well as the geometric shape of the part. In the first stage, it will be necessary to check the design of the part for safe stresses. If it is not satisfactory, then the dimensions of the part can be recalculated. First of all, you need to check the design of the part for safe stresses, and if it is not satisfactory, then dimension of the part can be recalculated. The part can be further be optimized for acquiring minimum dimensions, weight, volume, efficiency of the material, and cost. The optimization depends on the definition of the problem and importance of the parameter. It may be sometimes necessary to optimize the part for certain operating parameters like efficiency and torque. Sometimes you need to optimize the part for certain operating parameters like efficiency and torque. So this is about the analysis and optimization, which is the first step in conventional design process. The fifth step is evaluation. So it is concerned with measuring the design against the specification established in the problem definition phase. So in problem definition phase, specifications are established and the evaluation is concerned with the measuring the design against the specifications. The evaluation often requires the fabrication and testing of model to assess operating performance, quality and reliability. So these are the important parameters like operating performance, quality and reliability. So the evaluation often requires the fabrication and testing of model to assess these parameters. Last step in conventional design process is presentation. So after all these 5 stages, the main thing is the presentation. So you need to present the design of component must be presented along with necessary drawings in an attractive format. So the format must be attractive and the design of the component must be presented along with the necessary drawing. So this is about all the 6 stages in a conventional design process. So we saw total 6 stages. The first was the recognition of need, in which you need to recognize the necessity of that particular design. The second step was definition of the problem. So in which we have seen that the basic purpose of the design process has to be known before starting the design. The third step is the synthesis of the design, and in which we have already studied that it is necessary to prepare a rough drawing of the design part, and the type of loading conditions imposed on the parts need to be mentioned. The fourth step was the analysis and optimization. So in which design can be analyzed for the type of loading condition as well as the geometric shape of the part. And in the first stage, you need to check the design of the part for the safe stress. And if it is not satisfactory, then dimension of the part can be recalculated. The fifth stage was the evaluation. So it is concerned with measuring the design against the specification established in the problem definition phase, as we have already saw in the fifth stage, and which you can see on the screen also. And the sixth stage was the presentation, in which the design of the component must be presented along with the necessary drawing and the format should be attractive. So this is all about the 6 stages in conventional design process. If you like the video, please press the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe the channel and also share this video with your friends. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section, and also you can watch our playlist on CAD CAM in playlist section. So thank you for watching.